One rainy day, Robin and Daisy are playing with the dressing up box.
I want to be a chef,
says Robin.
I want to be a chef too,
says Daisy. Robin puts on his chef costume. Daisy puts on her chef costume. And off they go. Robin and Daisy are in a giant's kitchen.
I'm hungry,
roars the giant.
Where's my lunch?
Wait, please,
says Robin.
Give me some bread, please, Daisy,
says Robin. Daisy gives Robin some bread.
I'm very hungry,
roars the giant.
Where's my lunch?
Wait, please,
says Robin.
Give me some butter, please, Daisy,
says Robin. Daisy gives Robin some butter.
I'm very, very hungry,
roars the giant.
Where's my lunch?
Wait, please,
says Robin.
Give me some ham and some cheese, please, Daisy,
says Robin. Daisy gives Robin some ham and some cheese.
I'm very, very, very hungry,
roars the giant.
Where's my lunch?
Wait, please,
says Robin.
Give me some salad and some egg, please, Daisy,
says Robin. Daisy gives Robin some salad and some egg.
Where's my lunch?
roars the giant.
I'm very, 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 very hungry. Where's my lunch?
Here it is,
says Robin.
a giant sandwich. With bread, butter, ham, cheese, salad and egg.
The giant opens his mouth. He takes a big bite. Says the giant.
It's very good.
He takes another bite. And another. And another. Until the sandwich is all gone.
Thank you,
says the giant.
I'm not hungry anymore, but I'm sleepy.
The giant's sleeping.
Let's go home,
whispers Robin. Robin and Daisy tiptoe out of the giant's kitchen.
Goodbye,
whisper Robin and Daisy.